Today I'm going showing you a recipe of Bengal curry. Now this is my style how I do it. I just have to. This is the Toordal. I have to put water for its boil in a separate container. So then you make a paste of chili, garlic, and salt, and put it inside this eggplant. And so I have made here and I've kept. I will show you how to do it, how to make this dish. But prepare this and keep onions, potatoes, chilies, ginger, garlic. As my pan is hot, I just put 1 tablespoon of oil. That's it. Like 1.5 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. Okay, and then I pour my onions, ginger, garlic. Cumin seeds, mustard seeds. I'm doing this video on my own. I have no help, so please forgive me. There is no professional video here happening. It's all on my own, and I'm just doing it. I don't have anybody to do for me also, help me in doing it, but I am doing it. Add potatoes. See the tomatoes, potatoes, everything is there, and we have our dal on the other end. Just pour this dal, okay, and stir fry them again. Stir fry. Then you can add brinjals, or you say eggplant, okay, which already has a masala and nicely, and just let it cook. Let it cook. It's a very good dish for. You can have it with bread, chapati, or even rice. So just cover it for some time. Okay. Here it is, the final lookout. You can have it with rice, brown rice, and chapati, the Indian roti, and the bread, anything, and it is yummy. Please prepare and let me know how did you like it.